Okay, so there we are. So as far as Islam is concerned, yesterday, many times people are saying that Islam spread by the sword. Maybe you are students from somewhere abroad, maybe you have also heard this. People say Islam spread by the sword. I as a Muslim, I will say no, Islam never spread by the sword. I'll give you examples. In beautiful Europe, where we are standing, this is United Kingdom, and of course there are many countries in Europe. Okay, in Europe we have beautiful. Okay, have a nice day. In Europe we have Spain, beautiful Spain. From the year 711 AD to the year 1492 AD, the Muslims either were ruling nearly the whole of Spain or parts of Spain. So, and of course, you go to Spain today, it is a Christian country. It is not majority Muslim. Why? Because people who say that Islam spread by the sword, they are wrong. Why? Because Allah tells us in our beautiful Holy Quran, in Surah Al-Baqarah, the cow, Surah chapter number 2, ayah, verse number 256. Allah says, La ikraha fid din. There is no compulsion in religion. There is no force in religion. Tattabayyana rushdu min al-ghayy. What is truth will stand out clear from what is falsehood. And of course that's right. So the Muslims from 711 in the Christian calendar to the year 1492 when Granada fell, the Muslims were ruling either nearly the whole of Spain or part of Spain. Go to Spain now, majority Christian. Why? Because the Muslims did not force them to become Muslim. Because in Islam, we cannot force people. It's up to the people. If they accept, their choice. If they don't want to become Muslim, it's their choice. And next door to Spain, we have Portugal. And did you know Portugal also was ruled by the Muslims for just over 500 years. And even there, go to Portugal. Today, they are majority Christian. Why? Because though the Muslims were their rulers for over 500 years, they never forced them. Now, other countries in Europe, let me tell you, there was the Osmani Empire, known as the Ottoman Empire. They ruled many countries in Europe. For example, Greece, Bulgaria, Romania, okay, Moldova, North Macedonia, Albania, Bosnia-Herzegovina, Kosovo, Serbia, Croatia, Hungary, okay, European countries. Some of these countries, they ruled for over 500 years, over 400 years, over 300 years. And Hungary, the Muslim Osmani Turks, they ruled Hungary for just over 160 years. Go to Hungary today, Christian. Go to Greece today, Christian. Go to Bulgaria today, Christian. Go to Romania today, Christian. Go to Serbia today, Christian. But Albania, majority Muslim. Why? Because the people in Albania, which is capital is Tirana, they themselves became Muslim. Okay? So, so the people in Albania, they themselves became Muslims of their own free will. And yet, when the Muslim Turks took over Albania, the Albanians for over 30 years, they were fighting. For over 30 years, the Albanians fought against the Turkish armies. Many times. So it was very hard to rule them.